Hi guys! Today mag-Bangkok haul tayo. We love Thailand as much as we love their products. Merong bagong product na super trending sa Watsons Bangkok na hindi pa nare-release dito sa Pilipinas. Pond's Philippines, baka naman dalhin nyo to dito sa Pilipinas. Punta kayo sa Thailand, apart from mango sticky rice, must try din guys yung kanilang mga inhaler. Sobrang daming variety, ang mumura. So I got 2 pocket inhalers, very handy. You can use it whenever you need it, wherever you are. I know this one is available na here in the Philippines, pero hindi ko pa rin napigilan yung sarili ko, of course, the Vaseline Glutathione. And eto na, I really wish and hope na madala nila ito dito sa Pilipinas. It's really good. This is the Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultralight Biome Gel. To be honest, I have been using it prior to filming this whole video. It is formulated with millions of prebiotics and Sera-Hyamino technology to balance our skin biome, which serves as our skin barrier's barrier. It balances the skin, it's really lightweight, and indeed, it makes our skin really radiant. I also got the cleanser pala, it's really good as well. This is the Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultralight Biome Gel Gentle Cleanser. This one naman, nakita lang ako sa packaging na to, pero ang sarap niya. This is the Moo Milk Milk Tablet. This one is very rich in vitamin A and calcium. In fairness, lasa nga siyang mango sticky rice. And lastly guys, ang sarap ng green tea mix na to. This is a green tea mix from Chatramwe brand. This one is really good. Kung mahilig talaga kayo sa green tea, magugustuhan nyo to. So there you have it guys. Kayo, na-try nyo na ba yung mga Bangkok products na pinakita ko? Let me know sa comment section, or kung meron kayong suggestion, please i-comment nyo po dyan. Also, let me know kung excited na rin kayo maging available sa Pilipinas itong Hydra Miracle line from Pond's.